Hello everyone, let's see how to add Gmail account in new Outlook. So first open your new Outlook and go to the left hand side and here you can see the bottom side one option add account. Click on it and enter here your Gmail account email address. So here I typed my Gmail address. Then gmail.com and click on the continue. Then click on the continue. Wait for the few seconds. Here the browser open to log in your Gmail. Okay, same email address you can see here. After that, click on the next. Then enter the password of your Gmail account. So I type here my Gmail password. Then click on the next. And if you want to save the password in your browser, just click on the save. Otherwise, just not now. Okay. And here, Google will allow the Microsoft apps and service to access this info about you. So click on the continue option. And you can see the Microsoft apps and services wants access to your Google account. So if you want to select all this access, just click on the select all checkbox. If you want to particular give the access, read emails, edit, create. So you can just click on the checkbox and after that click on the continue. Okay. So here I click the select all. After that, click on the continue. Then here the one message pop up. This side is trying to open your Outlook. I just click on the open. Wait for the few seconds. It's done. Your emails, calendar, and contacts are now synced. Just click on the done, and you can see the left hand side your Gmail account here added. Now click on this arrow, and you can check here the inbox and other folder, and you can also check the inbox here, the all emails, and you can edit the email. You can forward the email from this your Gmail account from your new Outlook. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.